Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most frequently used words in daily life. Hello.
Hallo.
Bye.
Tot ziens.
Yes.
Ja.
No.
Nee.
Thank you.
Dank je.
You're welcome.
Graag gedaan.
Sorry.
Sorry.
How are you?
Hoe gaat het?
Good.
Goed.
Bad.
Slecht.
It's okay.
Gewoon.
Maybe.
Misschien.
Of course.
Natuurlijk.
I.
Ik.
You.
Jij.
You.
U.
He.
Hij.
She.
Zij.
We.
Wij.
They.
Zij.
What?
Wat?
When?
Wanneer?
Where?
Waar?
Why?
Waarom?
How?
Hoe?
Yesterday.
Gisteren.
Today.
Vandaag.
Tomorrow.
Morgen.
Now.
Nu.
Home.
Huis.
Work.
Werk.
Friend.
Vriend.
Family.
Familie.
Here.
Hier.
There.
Daar.
This.
Dit.
That.
Dat.
Day.
Dag.
People.
Mensen.
And.
En.
But.
Maar.
Because.
Omdat.
To do.
Doen.
To go.
Gaan.
To be.
Zijn.
To have.
Hebben.
To want.
Willen.
To see.
Zien.
To come.
Komen.
To say.
Zeggen.
Quiz time.
Jij. Jij. Natuurlijk. Natuurlijk.
The answer is.
Dank je. Dank je. Tot ziens. Tot ziens.
The correct answer is
Wanneer? Wanneer? Komen. Komen. Daar. Daar.
The answer is
Nu. Nu. Huis. Huis.
The correct answer is
Gaan. Gaan. Vriend. Vriend.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.